What's up, guys? I'm here with my buddy Justin, and we're gonna check out his new Shelby GT350. This thing is crazy. Justin, tell us about this car, man.
It's a 2019 Shelby GT350. Basically bought it brand new. It's got right around 17,000 miles on it now. It's been through a bunch of track days and then a bunch of performance upgrades. Currently just got it back like a month ago and did new upgraded calipers and powder coated that stuff and suspension.
Let's take a look at these calipers. What color? Is that like a Lamborghini color?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep. So did upgraded clutch, long tubes, cat delete, X pipe, billet oil pump gears, tune, and, like I said, suspension. So it's ready for boost in a couple months.
That's awesome, man. Why don't you pop the hood and then tell us why you picked a Shelby GT350? God, I love that snake badge.
So basically it's Ford's first successful 5.2 liter flat plane crank V8. Corvette's trying to do it now with their new C8s. Basically it's just wild. It turns 9,000 RPM. It's got a built-in dry sump oil system.
Oh, I love the carbon.
Yeah, I need to PPF that real bad.
So Justin, what do? I know you own a wrap company. Tell us about that.
Basically do commercial design and printing for a bunch of different corporations. Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Duke Energy. Yeah, and then I do a lot of commercial vehicle wraps, window films, tint, a lot of stuff for NASCAR and IMSA, and that's basically it. So I kind of love for cars coincides with what I do, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, well, we can tell. I don't think regular people buy a Shelby GT350 and say that they're regular. All right, man. Let's hear what this thing sounds like. Crackles and pops.
That way?
Yep. Sounds great. I mean, it sounds great.
It's got a new base map tune on it, so it's a little bit more throaty and a little bit more responsive. Throttle wise, there's like no delay at all. Yeah, it's pretty wild.
You're at what, like 4,000 RPM right now?
Just cruising. Second gear.
All right, maybe bang a Yui. I think there was a cop that I saw up ahead, so. Are you kidding me?
No, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing's fast, guys. This thing's really, 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 really fast. Really fast. Oh, that was great. Wow. Yeah, wow. He seems so very comfortable too, though.
I got AC and heat.
Nice. It's great.
Yeah.
So, we were just talking about his tires. I was so surprised that he had grip when we were just on that little test drive there. So, tell us what you were just saying. You're going to add a bigger tire?
Yeah. So basically, I have 305 in the rear now, 295 up front, and then in a couple months, I'm going D1X Pro Charger fuel system, and then E85 fuel on 13 psi. So what's going to happen is it's going to start to break loose. So I'm going to go 305 in the front and 325 in the rear.
Nice.
Yeah.
So my Mustang only has 275s in the rear. Then again, my Mustang only has like 220 horsepower, which is, you know, if I break it loose with 275s and 220 horsepower, I'm doing something right. But that's not going to happen.
Yeah. The goal is to be able to break it loose at 60 miles an hour to a rolling burnout down the freeway.
So tell me why that's a goal. Why is this?
Because it does it now in second gear. It's just fun. It'll make 980 to the wheel on 13 psi.
Oh my gosh.
So,
and rev all the way to the moon, 9,000 RPM.
9,000. The third, fourth, and fifth gear pulls in this car are un-f***ing real.
Oh man, it was crazy.
Yeah.
Well, hey Justin, thanks for taking us for a rip, man. Your car is beautiful.
Appreciate it.
Really enjoyed this, and let us know what you guys think. I mean, this was a lot of fun. I've never been in a flat plane crank car ever in my life, and I haven't been in a GT350. This thing is really incredible. Hope you guys like this video. Take care. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.